Welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. Gonna bring you some update analysis on XRP. I think we should take a look at the charts, show you what I see and what's to come. Before I go there, met up with Cheeky Crypto yesterday, had a great time. I was on their live stream. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. Great people at this place. We met up with Singularity Net, Singularity DAO. We had some people from VeChain there, and on Cheeky Crypto's team there. It was nice. Really nice. Big up to you guys for inviting me as well. So let's take a look at this. If you're in XRP, you want to pay attention, might help you on your journey. If this is sounding interesting, drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Woo, just woke up. Well, at the time of just trying to... Anyway, look at this, right? When I look at chart analysis, I like to use the weekly time frame, because for me, I'm an investor, so you know, day traders look at 1 hour to like 4 hours. Investors like to look at a longer time period. You know, you can use the daily time frame, but if you look at the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame, you're going to get a good clean insight as to where we are and where we could be heading. So I use this RSI down here for people that are new, and this looks for when price is overbought and oversold. And right now we have been really oversold on XRP longer than we've ever been before, or lower, sorry, than we've ever been before, because the last time we were as low as this was back here in March, the C19 drop, and look at how low we dropped right down here. And the reason I'm showing you this is because we're starting to see the purple line, and I'm going to make this bigger so you can see the purple line starting to come back up. Once it breaks this yellow line, if it holds support, look what happened in the past. It bounced off it like support and it came right up, and we saw a parabolic run in the XRP price. I was going to call it Bitcoin. And I just want to show you how high this really went. So it went from down here, pumped all the way up to here. We're talking, that's an insane pump. You're talking 1,582% pump. It's absolutely insane. I'm not saying that it's going to do that again, but what if it was to do something like, I don't know, half of that or 10% of that? Because 10% of that is 158% pump, which is, you know, going to be absolutely insane for XRP should it do that. What's a 10%? 10% of that is 158% pump. Let's have a look. It would put us right back to sort of where we were, you know, 94 cents, because this is in dollars. You're talking 94 cents if we was to see that. And why do I think that we could see this soon? Because this, again, this is the weekly time frame. I'm looking at a bunch of data that's been going. Look, each candle is like a week's worth of action. And, you know, we've got this RSI about to cross with this yellow line. You can see it here, which means that we're starting to turn bullish again, or we're starting to start a new trend. And on top of that, we've got the stochastic RSI down here. This one looks for momentum. How much buy pressure, how much sell pressure. When the blue line and the red line cross coming downwards, that's sell pressure. It's all coming down. There's too much sell coming on. When it's down here, like the sell is exhausted, like not much sell anymore. And now look, it's starting to come back up. People are buying. They're very interested. And the most important part to look for when you use the stochastic RSI is, can this blue line and red line come back in this bracket area here, this zone, the dotted line zone? Because if it does, that could spark some fireworks. And that's what you're going to see in XRP. And this isn't financial advice. I'm just telling you, be prepared for what's to come in the next couple of weeks, should this hold support with the RSI on the weekly time frame. This is a powerful move right here. Don't underestimate it. So this is what I'm watching. I'm going to drag this. Oh no, hold on. Let me make a new one. I'm going to make sure that you guys, you know, really pay attention to this part here. Let's see what happens, because if it can do this and then it holds support off the yellow line and starts coming up, imagine if you see something like this. Let me draw it real quick. Where's my brush? So, you know, the purple line comes up like this, and then, you know, we start to see the RSI do something like this. Let me change it purple. That's what I'm looking for. So yeah, this is going to be a short, sweet one. Real quick before I go, let's have a look at the ribbons real quick. Because on the daily time frame, this is like, you know, a couple of weeks what's to come. It's bullish. And the ribbons work well, the EMA ribbons, because it looks for trend reversals. Basically, when you see a tangle in the ribbons, like here, that's sort of the start of a trend reversal. And you can see the yellow line was underneath. Whenever the yellow line is underneath, the price is going to act bearish towards it because, you know, it's trying to break above and it can't. It's just going to resist. And why is it good? Because XRP has just broken these ribbons and it looks like it's held support off these ribbons. So where's next for XRP? What's the next price that I'm looking at? I'll show you. I'm going to swing it to the weekly time frame because that was on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, I believe that XRP will come up to this first ribbon right here, this yellow ribbon line right here, and I think it's going to come and test 47 cents. So look out for that. If it breaks 47 cents and goes higher, I believe the next price for XRP will be here, that we're going to get strong resistance, and it's going to try really hard to break 63 cents. I'm not saying anymore. If you liked it, drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you all. Do you want to see more chart analysis on other coins? If you do, drop the comments down below. Let me know which coins you want me to do some analysis on, because I'm going to start bringing some more here and there. Could be dropping some news stuff as well. It's important to see what's going on in the crypto news as well. So I do it, but you know, I'm going to bring some more. I don't know where it is. See, Mount Gox was my last one. So yeah. Also, if you want to become a Patreon, I got 7 tiers. Take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. Why? Because when you become a Patreon, you can see things that you don't see on YouTube. I've got my buy alerts, my sell alerts, all of that stuff. And they see in here way before I do it. So, you know, check it out. My exclusive VIP tier unlocks everything, all my alerts. If you want that little bit more, I've got a CEO tier. It gives you access to my VIP Telegram group, and in there I'm talking to them way before I do anything, way before I buy, way before I sell. And we've got big money in this space, sharing great projects. They know how to make money. I'm not saying anymore. Thank you for watching. That's me saying something more. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.